Hey guys, so we're gonna do the last part. It's a little bit longer this time, but the video, but it's fine. I think we're all doing well, and I think if again any questions, you guys should always message me. So I'm gonna let you guys finish the graph that we did here on the left side, and let's assume we're gonna finish. You guys are gonna see the graph of the log function be created here. Okay. And we've been looking at this before. Remember, you guys, this is not the first time that we're been working with this function. Okay. What I do want to remind you guys, remember, save the graph, save it to your file, and you should already be signed in. Look at the previous video. You guys are gonna export this. Okay, so export it like we've done before. You guys are gonna send me your graph, and then you're gonna download it. When you download it, save it to your computer, and then you guys are going to give it to me through the Schoology assignment, and you guys are gonna submit it. Oh, by the way, I have another filter. Now I could see why you guys are so distracted in class instead of doing my notes right and paying attention to my work. This is entertaining, but I still am not condoning it. So when you guys head back to class, I'm not being okay with this. All right. Here is what you guys are going to do. Okay. We're going to um, look at the last part. So this is part C, which we need this table here. Okay. You guys already should have downloaded this, and if you didn't, go to the link again, go back to the videos. You guys are gonna make a copy, so make a copy, save it to your Google Drive. You're gonna need it to finish this last part. Okay. So this will be the last thing I go over with you. Okay. So remember, if I have the original function, okay, if I have the original function, this is you. You guys will see a much more complete graph when you guys finish the actual assignment. But I'm not finishing it in this video. You guys will finish it later. You guys see this is the original log function. Okay, here we have one of these general functions, and the question is, what happens when a is changing? Now let's look back at the table. I mean the yeah, this table I created. So when a is positive or when a is greater than 0, what happens to the graph? So let's take a look at this. Okay, what happens? What are you guys are noticing? Which transformation is happening as a gets bigger? What's happening to the graph? Okay, so a is this value here. Okay, a is a value in front of the function. Okay, so if that a is, for example, 9.3, 10, what's happening to the graph? What happens to the, remember the original graph is that purple, those orange dots, right? So let me go back to its original value where it was at 1, right? So what are you noticing is happening to the graph when it goes positive, right? Same thing when happens when it goes negative. What happens when the graph is negative and it goes more negative? Okay. So you guys are gonna write your answers to this, okay? You guys are gonna write this here, okay? And you guys are gonna save this file and also send it to me, okay? Same thing with H. What happens when H is positive? What is happening to the graph, right? Versus when it's negative. What do you notice? So you guys write your observations, type it up, and save it in the file. What about K? What do you notice? What happens to the graph when K is positive? What happens when K is negative? What do you notice? Okay. And you guys have the e-tool on in the section of the book that we're doing right now, 5.2.4, which is 594. And I need you guys to type this up, okay? It saves automatically. You guys have been using Google Docs before. When you guys send it to me, you guys could download it. So you could download the file, go to download. You guys have a choice, whatever you guys want to download it. You guys are going to submit it to the Schoology assignment like we normally do. So you go to the Schoology assignment. You guys are going to submit it, okay? And you could also share the link. If you guys want to share the link, you guys can share the link, right? And send it to me that way too. So there's a few ways you guys are going to submit this, and this is part C, okay? So once again, I want to see the graph. Submit the JPEG or the picture of the graph, and you guys are going to submit also this part C to me, okay? All right, you guys. If you have any questions, message me. Good luck. You guys are doing well. Talk to you soon.